We're Jason and Josh, loving and laughing our way through life, one vlog at a time. So come along with us, the journey is just getting started.
Good morning guys, what is up? How are we doing today? Sunday, the something of something. I don't know what date it is. What's the date today? 19th, there we go. 19th of July. I have a twinkle, wanting food down here. I have big sausages in the oven, which I'm about to show you. Oh my god! You're very vocal. Are we very vocal this morning? Say good morning, extras. How are we doing today? Well, yeah. Get sausages out. And let's start this day. Sausages are done. Do you want a bit of sausage? Sausage in your mouth? Sorry.
Good morning vlog. I have been told to chat to the vlog, but my voice is cracking. The breakfast is ready. I've been sitting editing yesterday's video, and sausages are done. They're big.
I know.
It's a big sausage.
It's a big sausage.
You can't beat a big sausage on a Sunday morning.
It's fine. Nothing happened.
You just dropped the sausage.
There's nothing to see here.
Are they hot?
Yeah.
They've just come out of the oven, babe.
I have. I have 2 sausages because I'm a grown boy.
Yeah, growing outwards.
Yeah, that way.
Dear.
Yeah, now it's Joe, honey.
Whatever. Sharon's got sausage as well for the first time in decades. Twinkle wants some, but isn't getting any. Bit hot, Twinkle. They'll burn your face off.
You can smell it.
She can. And oh,
What?
quickest way to ruin a sausage bat.
Oh, shut up. Be quiet.
Bon appetit,
Don't
baby.
open your sausage.
Oh, I was just being nice, and you were being horrid. You meowed.
There we go.
There we go.
Yeah. We're recording.
We're outside the house.
Everybody say hello.
Hello.
We've just stopped at the Starbucks that we always stop at.
Chai latte?
Chai latte indeed. Sharon's got a chai latte, extra wet, no, extra hot, wet, skinny, in a paper cup with a plastic lid.
Yep.
And a cardboard sleeve. Chai latte.
Yep.
Yep, all correct.
And Josh's mum's got hot chocolate. That was the easiest order.
Just a hot chocolate with cream? Yes, please.
We're on our way to Whitstable,
And it's
down
wet.
by the sea, and it is, yeah, it's a little bit moist.
A bit moist.
So I've dressed for the occasion, nobody else has. They've all got shorts and vests and stuff on, and I'm in my jeans and my spirit jersey, so...
Cardigan on.
Oh, do you? There are some tops in the boot, actually,
We've
if
got
anyone
tops
wants a
in the
top, yeah.
There's another sitting in the garden this morning.
Yeah.
It's not cold, it's just because it's damp now, isn't it? It's fine, we shall plough on regardless. As I said, be British.
Be British.
Right, let's get moving. So we have made our way down to Whitstable Harbour, where all the fishing boats are in. It's busy down here, isn't it?
Yeah, really busy. If you look that way, not this little bit here,
Yeah.
a bit further down.
There's like little huts and that sell like arts and crafts and food and stuff.
Yeah, can't really
Yeah,
come back
it
'cause
is.
there's too many people.
It is very busy, yeah. I was trying to keep my wits about me and make sure I was staying out the way of people. Sharon's doing her Instagram bits, but I think we're just going to have a walk. Are we going to walk along here and round there? Oh, there's a nice cream van.
Yeah.
Ooh.
This is where I wanted to get. Where's that fish that? Oh, I don't know if you can go in there anymore. There was like a fish thing you can go in. You get all like the fish prawns and things like that.
I
That's what I
don't
wanted.
know. There must be one. It might be over that way. Because there's more over there. We'll figure it out. We'll find it. The name of this boat's quite apt. We'd love to be going on our holidays right now.
Yes, please.
Yeah, at Whitstable. Whitstable's nice, but you know, I wouldn't want to spend a week here. The sea is in. Anyone for a dip? No. Off you go, go on. Don't let us down, don't let us down. Oh. Yourself in the sea? No? Oh. Oh, that was going to be the best content ever. Now you just have to settle for Sharon.
Let's go.
It's freezing.
No, it doesn't look freezing.
No, yesterday I might have had a
It's not freezing. There's no icebergs. So it can't be freezing.
Look, the bird's fine.
Yeah. That's only got feathers as well. You've got leather for skin. The only time you see Sharon run is for a photo op. I hate to break this to you, but I don't think it's seaworthy. Josh is being the photographer. I think that might sink if you put that out at sea. It's got a hole in it.
I wouldn't risk it.
No. Oh, have we got to get in? Yeah, let your mum do hers first.
Well.
Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. This could be a picture postcard. This could be a picture postcard for the English seaside holiday this year. The beautiful weather, attacked by seagulls, boats with holes. What more could you want for a holiday? Sharon's chasing seagulls. Blimey, look, it's like Baywatch 80 years on. Sorry, I was taking the mickey out of Sharon. Come in. Oh! Oh, sure, I feel about that bit. Oh. So we've just had a group selfie on this funky bench. I've just noticed as well, they've got love locks up there.
We should do one.
Look. I mean, they're a bit... I'm assuming they're love locks. They've got nothing written on them though. Sharon was going to get in the old tractor as well, but decided it looks a bit manky.
Yeah, it didn't look very nice.
It's probably for the best. A bit like that sky, that looks a bit manky as well, doesn't it? Never mind.
Not that you can see, but in the far, far distance, it's actually pouring down with rain, which means
Oh, the seagulls know, they're telling us, they're going, rain, rain!
it's heading this way.
It is. Let's go and get fishy and then, you know, walk back.
Fishy?
Sharon's going to get crabs.
I'm not going to get crabs.
By the way, you said that quietly. We didn't come here to get head.
Get me on camera with my helmet.
That's a nice helmet.
I can't.
Hello?
I mean, you can put your head in it, but at these times I'm not going to do that.
No.
Because one, I'll probably get stuck and be here forever.
And two, it's raining.
Well, no, two, I might, you know, come down with something.
Oh God. We've literally just spent the last 10 minutes walking down there with all different innuendos.
Getting rained on.
Yeah.
It's getting heavier.
Come on, ladies. So we purchased our fishy goodness. What have you got? Crab claws.
Crab claws.
Ooh.
Oh,
okay.
Oh, it's very hot.
Hot? Oh, I thought it'd be cold.
Well, no, they're breaded. They're
Oh,
cooked.
of course. And Mum is going to try snot. Oh.
Yummy.
Well, she's not going to eat all three. We've all got one each. And have some prawns with some seafood sauce.
Very hot.
What have you got, Sharon? Oh, she's got hers, look. She's happy.
Walking in the rain.
She's got a snot. We got that.
Snot.
What?
What's that on top of that? Pepper?
Black pepper, yeah.
Oh, and you got it over that as well?
Yeah.
Nice.
She likes the seafood so much, she's covered everything in pepper.
Go on then, Mum.
I'm going to put some lemon on it.
Good idea.
Oh, which is the smallest?
I don't know, it's hard to tell.
Oh, these don't look very appetising.
Gets bigger when you put it in your mouth anyway.
Excuse me. Are you not meant to like unstick it off that? Was it?
I think he's probably already done that, hasn't he?
Oh, okay, yeah.
They're prepared.
don't think about
They're
it.
prepared.
Yeah, they're prepared.
They're prepared.
Yeah, it's ready to go.
What do I do? Just tip it?
Yeah, yeah.
That way?
Yeah, that way. And then it just in
What's
and
all
swallow.
this?
Don't chew.
What's all this?
It's just
juice.
the juice.
For
you wanted to do
lubrication.
this. You wanted to do this.
It looks nasty.
Down in one, down in one. You missed a bit. Swallow. Swallow, don't chew.
It's gone.
Oh, well done. What do you think?
It's just fishy.
Just fishy.
That's just ice, a bit, isn't it?
Lemony fish.
Alright, do you want to do yours?
It's like no taste.
What, my
to it,
oyster?
wasn't it?
Yeah. Bit of lemon. Lemon, lemon, lemon.
Sure it's off the shell.
Stick your fingers in there, get them proper. Sharon's doing a bit of Instagram over there.
Yeah, we're good. We're good to go.
It's pouring with rain now, by the way. Down in one.
Oh, I haven't had them for...
It's been a year.
Been a year, yeah. Go on then, slide it back. Hang on, I can take my crab claws back.
It's alright, I've got it. I'm a woman, I can multitask.
Go on then, slide it in.
Oh my god, I nearly dropped it then. Fishy.
Any lemon on yours?
Oh no, I didn't.
Oh wow, you're in hardcore. You right there?
Yeah.
You'll go.
Done your Instagram bit.
Yeah.
Got me told you do that.
Your turn to whack one back. Have you got a gag reflex?
Everyone's like got their like flavouring, and I have my full of.
Have you got Tabasco or anything on yours?
No. it's
Oh, I
just-
thought you might have had
just
Tabasco.
No, well, I was thinking about it. No, not
You got pepper though, haven't you?
Yeah.
Just kept all our juice off.
Oh my god, she had loads.
Swallow. Swallow.
Don't
You're not meant to chew it. Don't chew it, just swallow it.
It wouldn't do anything.
Call you
It wouldn't.
bloody amateur.
Right, so we're back. Started pissing down with rain, so we came home. Gonna have our picnic that we was actually gonna have at, what's it called?
What?
The place we was gonna go to?
White Horse Wood.
So obviously we've scrapped that idea now. So we're gonna have our picnic here before we head back down to Sharon's. What else was there?
Sausage roll.
Yeah.
Eggs and chicken poppers is that.
Yeah, got it. Right, got it. Cool.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights.
Right, so a little update. We're not in Whitstable no more.
We ain't in Vegas no more, baby.
I'm sure I vlogged. No, I vlogged when we got back, but I
You
didn't
did.
vlog much.
We had lunch. We had a picnic.
We had lunch, which was going to be our picnic that we was going to have at that place.
Because it was peeing down, but as soon as we got to where that place is on the way
The sun
back,
came out,
the sun's come out and it's
so like,
dry.
it's all dry outside now.
Yeah.
But anyway, we are on our way back down to Bromley now because we have to drop this one off.
Up to
Sorry.
Bromley.
Well, I say drop this one off. We're staying for dinner.
Yeah. We've got you for the rest of the afternoon and evening.
You lucky thing.
And we get to see Jane.
We get to see Jane.
The most
Where-
normal one of the
My
two
Porsche.
unnormal
I
sisters.
want that Porsche. I'm having that Porsche. Thank you.
Got distracted.
I don't know what he said. What was I going to say?
I don't know. What was you going to say?
I feel like I've eaten too many pastries.
We've just been having a little sing-song.
So a little sing-song to a bit of Disney. We've decided we might watch Frozen 2 later.
Yeah, because we're ordering pizza. Have you told them?
No, we're ordering Domino's pizza.
We're ordering a Domino's pizza.
Because tonight is the last night, and then it's back to nice, healthy stuff.
Yeah.
And I'm going to
Indeed.
start exercising
This should be fun this week coming.
properly.
You heard it here first. Exclusive.
I'm a witness.
So we have arrived. We've had a coffee,
We have.
and now we're outside. And look who's here. Hang on, hang on.
Oh. I'm here.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Did you need your passport?
I did.
did,
Yes,
good.
I'm fine. I'm very well. Nice to be out and about.
You looking where you're going?
You're making her walk back.
If you watched our vlog the other day, it's good to run backwards, you know.
I did watch, but I don't think I'm going to
Probably not in
chance
pumps.
it. No, I'm not
Not
going
in
to chance
pumps.
running backwards.
Where are we?
Jubilee Country Park.
We do like our country parks.
What? What are you going? Oh no, I was just like, I don't know.
This way.
I don't know where we are. We're just in some.
Jubilee Country Park.
This is like some crazy field. They're gonna kill us.
Crazy field.
Crazy people.
There's no one here.
Crazy.
Crazy. Oh my god.
The hills are alive with the sound of music.
Time to go. Come on, girls. Don't know him. Come on. This way. This way. Sharon, stop attracting weird men. Stop following us, you creep. Oh my god. Oh my god. Right. Bye. I cut. Sharon's gone.
How pretty are these flowers? They're almost as pretty as my singing.
Are you trying to kid?
That's rude. We're following the leader, the leader, the leader. We're following the leader who doesn't know where she's going. Eeyore, eeyore. She nearly fell in the bush. Oh, we're on a little boardwalk bit. To the boardwalk, down in the woods.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful. I don't like going backwards on this.
No, mind you.
It's fine, it's all good, it's all good. So we thought we were doing really well exploring, but we've got to this bit, and that is where we came in, and I stopped to say that the pretty blue flowers were pretty, and then we walked up there, so we've done a circle without meaning to. So we're going back into the woods and going a different way without falling off the bloody boardwalk thing.
We'll try it again.
Yeah.
We'll try it again.
Don't know if you can see, there's some horses. I mean, you will be able to see because I'm zooming in. It's a shame they can't come a bit closer to us. Sharon just tried to call them and she shouted out GG, and they done nothing, which, can you blame them? We found Ray's Pond. Oh, it's actually got water in this one. Yeah, the other one that we saw up there was like pretty much dry. There's actually water and reeds and stuff, and bugs. Lots of bugs. Oh, there's a bulrush, look. Is that what they're called?
Yeah.
Bulrush. Or as I used to call them when I was younger, bog brushes.
It's a pond. Sharon, good jump.
Oh, you're a bit late to the party, aren't you?
Sorry.
Well,
I thought that was a
Did you have your face in your phone by any chance?
No. Do you know, I've not seen these since they were in our little stream pond thing at the bottom.
What,
of
the
my
bog
garden.
brushes?
Yeah.
Did you used to call them bog brushes?
Well, they look weird. Yeah, because I remember all of these things. They look like peppers.
Peppers? Oh yeah.
I remember them. We used to have
Look
all
at
this at the
them.
bottom of our thing when it was all nice.
Oh, them two are hanging like, yeah,
They
interesting.
look like hanging nuts, but very small.
Oh, trust you, I was trying to be subtle.
No, they look like a pair of small balls. Got a crazy tray lady in front of us.
I've got a crazy tray lady.
We're back at Sharon and Jane's. She's giving out trays.
Thanks.
Pound.
Pound? You can stick your tray up
I
your
don't know whether anyone wanted bacon eggs. We haven't got any.
Baconaise.
bacon.
Pizza's here.
We've got a naughty.
You're sitting on the floor.
We've got a dirty Pizza Hut delivery.
Dirty.
We've got 2 large pizzas,
Yeah.
a Texan barbecue, and a meat feast.
Something along them lines.
Something like that. And then we've got some chicken strips and some cheesy garlic bread, and there was a bottle of Pepsi Max with it as well. So
Where is it? Oh, it's in the fridge.
£27.99.
Not too bad.
That is a bargain. £7 each.
Last treat before tomorrow.
Yep. All will be explained in tomorrow's video.
Yes.
But we've also on the television box
Got Frozen to come on.
Frozen 2.
Yay.
Frozen 2.
Frozen 2. Yay.
Oh.
Because you haven't seen it yet, have you?
No.
No.
It's into the unknown.
Jane did say earlier, as soon as the camera goes on her, she freezes. She's like, I don't know what to say.
Which is ironic because we're about to watch Frozen 2. Sharon's doing the honours. The chicken strips are open. Is it not as easy as it looks? Ooh, cheesy, dirty. And we've got some barbecue sauce with the chicken strips as well. Forgot about that. And then that one, oh, that's the meat. That's the meaty one. That's the meat feast. Pizza Hut, yeah. Because Domino's wanted like 60 quid for the same stuff, and Pizza Hut wanted 27.99, so they got the call. That's the Texan barbecue, that one. So it's barbecue sauce, chicken and bacon. And this has just got every meat on the meaty planet. Look at Jane looking over the box. Bon appetit.
Dig in, children, dig in. You look bloody creepy.
Thanks.
Anyway, we're just getting the thumbnails ready with the O-ring. And have a little photo shoot, won't we? Bright light.
Bright light.
Scary light.
That's my scary face.
Oh, sorry about that. She's locked you out.
I'll go back down to.
Yeah, you can sleep on the bench for the
I'll
night.
come back down to Faversham then. Hello. You're not coming in.
Crazy.
Bitch.
I love the fact you've got a couple of big balls.
Oh yeah.
Pretty big balls.
Yeah. Cupped nicely. Anyway, we're off now. It's
Thought you smelled funny.
Shut up. It's 10 to 11.
Yep.
10 to 11.
10 to 11. Yeah, one of us has got to get up early in the morning.
One of us doesn't get up early in the morning.
Yeah, that's
Do
true.
you know I have work tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Up at
Well, she
9.
hasn't decided yet.
yeah, I've got to go in.
Oh.
Show me face.
Yeah.
Yeah, like you do.
Yeah.
Show
Show
me
William.
too.
That's the end of a weekend.
For a brilliant weekend.
Yeah, thank you.
It's gone really
Thanks for coming over.
gone really
Really
fast.
enjoyed it.
It's been very nice.
Gone
Any
really
other
fast.
time come over. You know you're always welcome.
We're back tomorrow then.
Yeah,
Yep,
fine.
see you tomorrow.
Fine. Same time, same day, love you.
Come
Bye.
mate.
Yes.
Bye, Felicia's.
Bye, be good.
Text us when you just send us a message that you're in.
We
Oh,
might do.
right, Mum.
You're in.
No,
You're in.
do that.
We might do.
Send your in.
Like she'll still be awake.
No,
She
leave
won't.
Me. Send it to me. I'll be out. You're in. You're in.
You're in.
You're in.
Anyway,
They want us to send us a picture of our wee.
into the unknown.
Oh, it is dark.
Yeah.
Bye, Felicia's.
Bye, Felicia's.
I've got pussy between my legs.
There you
Hello.
are. Right.
We're home.
We're home.
We're very tired.
Very tired. It's been such a good weekend, but unfortunately it has come to an end.
It's gone so fast.
Way too fast.
Mm-hmm.
Never mind.
Never mind, we have a really exciting week coming up. So
Yes.
make sure you join us again tomorrow at 3 o'clock UK time.
So you can catch up with what we decide to do.
Indeed.
Tomorrow marks the day where I know we've been naughty this weekend, but we're gonna.
Last week was crap, let's face it.
The whole thing was crap, so that's why we were crap, and with food and that.
We've had a few days just to get a load of crap out of our
But
systems.
I'm actually going to start being exercisey. Is
Yes.
that the word? I'm going to start exercising, so
And you'll see that in tomorrow's video.
we'll be going out either for a run, do some sit-ups. Yeah.
Yes, so thank you for watching. We hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe before you leave us and hit the notification bell, selecting all notifications to be notified every time we upload a new video.
Also, don't forget we have Patreon now, so pop over and check us out. The link will be down below, as well as all of our social medias, TikTok, Facebook, la-di-da-di-da. I don't think TikTok's in there, but everything else is, but you know where to find us.
Yep, there is now an exclusive video over on Patreon as well, so
Yeah.
there's stuff over there to check out now.
Yes. So until tomorrow, stay safe, we love you all. Good night, and bye, Felicia.
Bye, Felicia.
Bye.
Let me be that someone looking